Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to round off the numbers by using the formula tool in case of Alteryx. So, if we are having a data which will be having some numbers, and if the numbers are having some point after points, after decimal points, there are some numbers. For example, 13.08, 13.5. So we can round it off and we can display it in the next column. So let us see how to do it. So I'll make use of our previous exercise. I'll copy the data. I'll not again and again input the data. So the procedure is going to be the same. So I'll just copy. I'll press Ctrl C. I'll go in the new workflow. I will press Ctrl V. I'll paste it. Yeah. So over here, the data inputted in the input data tool is nothing but sales 2017 copy.xlsx. This is the Excel file, and the formula tool is taken from the preparation tab. So over here you can find it. So you can connect it with. So I have inputted the data. I'll show you the data first. So this is the data which I have inputted, 50 records order. So now I'll round off this 13.08. So whatever will be the data, so 50 records are there. Like with this 12.94. So this will be rounded off. Now in previous exercise I have displayed only the 3 characters. Now I'll just click on one. So in the previous exercise we have displayed the 3 characters from string data. So over here it is being displayed. So I will keep as it is. Time being I will keep as it is. Now here is a plus symbol. Just click on the plus symbol. Click on this select column. Give the name as sales done. Go to this particular window and type a round of. So you can find out this particular round x comma y. So click on tab, right over here, sales done. Click on tab, and for how many digits you want to round it off, so I will write it as 2. Then I will click on, if I want to delete this particular first 3 characters which I have displayed, I will delete this. Click on run. So in the new column which is named as sales done, it is being rounded off. So you can see that. So it is being rounded off here. So 14, 10, likewise it is being rounded off. So what we have to do, so new column which we are adding, so in the same column I have done this particular case. So you can add a new column also. So in sales done, it is being done. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day.